Welcome back to the channel. Anti-Pollution Contingency Plan, often referred to by its full name, the Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Plan, or SOPEP. This isn't just a regulatory formality. It's a detailed, mandatory action guide designed to protect the marine environment from the moment a pollution incident occurs. Every ship that carries oil, in amounts greater than what's specified by international regulations, is required to have a readily available and approved anti-pollution contingency plan on board. This plan is an integral part of compliance with the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, known as MARPOL. Specifically, it falls under MARPOL Annex 1, which deals with pollution by oil. The core purpose of the SOPEP is to establish a clear, structured framework for ship personnel to follow immediately upon the detection of an oil spill or a potential spill threat. Time is the most critical factor in a pollution incident. Rapid, coordinated response can minimize environmental damage significantly. So what are the key components of this vital plan? It's typically broken down into 4 essential sections. The first is the reporting procedure. This section provides a clear step-by-step guide on who needs to be notified, when, and how. This includes contact information for coastal authorities in the relevant area, port authorities, the ship's owner or operator, and any necessary insurance and classification societies. The reporting must be done immediately, providing all available information about the nature, time, and extent of the spill. The second part outlines the steps to control discharge. This is the operational heart of the plan. It details the immediate actions the crew must take to stop or minimize the oil outflow. This involves procedures like transferring oil from a damaged tank to an intact one, plugging scuppers, closing overboard discharge valves, and securing the leak source if safe to do so. The plan includes diagrams of the ship's piping and ventilation systems to help the crew quickly isolate the affected area. The third section focuses on the onboard response equipment. Every ship must carry a minimum set of anti-pollution equipment, often called the SOPEP locker or kit. The plan specifies the location, inventory, and correct usage procedures for items like absorbent pads, oil booms, specialized shovels, non-sparking hand pumps, and personal protective equipment. The crew must be regularly trained in the deployment of this equipment, which is covered in dedicated drills. Finally, the plan includes detailed coordination and contact information. This ensures that the ship's crew can effectively liaise with shoreside response teams, national authorities, and salvage companies once they arrive on the scene. It specifies the chain of command and the ship's master's authority in managing the response. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.